All right, everyone. Welcome, everybody. Let's quickly have a look where we are right now at the sentiment point of view before the cash open. So, if looking at the equity market, S&P 500, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, just showing that there is currently a sell-off before the cash open. However, if we move back to the European session, we had really a nice pull up from 5,465 level to 5,496 level, and same story with all of the other equity markets. Even if we look at the Germany 30, Euro stock 50, 50 100, all of them were showing some of the positive sentiment in the European session. However, as we heading into the cash open, the market is quite selling off across the board. So looking at the Germany 30, same story there. European 50 and FTSE 100, EME, all of them are just selling off across the board. China 50 showing some resilience there, and we have a volatility level. VIX is currently sitting at 13.01 level, which is the moderate risk on sentiment. So overall, it was a positive sentiment. However, right now it's just showing some of the sell-off, shifting our bias from risk on to currently at the mix. I will tell you why I'm saying mix. Let's just move forward to the commodity market. Looking at the precious metal, gold just trading lower, currently negative 54%, as we are heading into the North American session. Copper, it's not doing much. Let me just close this one. Silver, just range bounding there, and the energy, look at these guys. Energy is not giving up on its gain. It's just respecting this trend line, trying to make new higher highs. Same story with the Brent crude oil. Natural gas just down by I think, let me just have a look over there. Natural gas down by negative 1.3%. So overall, on the commodity side, there is still clearly mixed bias. We are having precious metals heading downward, and however on the energy sector is just showing some huge strength, or we can say a good upside momentum. Moving to the yields market, clearly there is a risk on here. Look at all of these 10 years, all in positive, all showing some green sides, even though all of the benchmarks are up across the board. US government heading upside, New Zealand, I mean, you name it. Aussie is just like at the front of this race, of this sentiment on bias. So I mean, if we just put all these market together, and where we reach to conclude that we are definitely currently yields showing risk on, equity showing risk off, and the commodities income. So the conclusion is market is just shifting from risk on to the mix before the cash open. And if we look at the FX market, let me just so Aussie is the star of the day. After we had a better than expected CPI report, let me bring that up for you. There we go. So look at this. A CPI report year of year came 4.0%, just above from the prior 3.6%, even though it beat the consensus of the market by 0.2%. The market was expecting 3.8%. And if we look at the timely chart, look at this. It's just showing upward trend. And if just a quick reminder, if you know that RBA has been saying that they are not ruling anything in or out, and there is a possibility of rate hike if the inflation does not come back in a reasonable time frame. So this data actually gives a reason for the Aussie to just move higher. So that's why we have seen the Aussie, and it's just keeping its strength before the cash open. Aussie is the strongest, and the New Zealand is the weakest currency as we move into the North American session. Sorry about that. Okay, so from my calendar point of view, what we are having today, there is nothing major across the board except from the dollar side we are having a new home sales. It's nothing major, so it's a bit a quiet and mixed price action we're gonna see this week, because we are at the month end, we are at the quarterly end, we are almost in a corporate end month. So corporate end month starts before the end of the month, and let's just go back -2. So it's just gonna start at let me just open up the map. Start from 27 tomorrow. It's just a corporate and month. So be very cautious trading this week, because we can see most of the price action be very choppy, and I hope you will have a great week ahead, and also have a good day today. If you have any questions, just don't hesitate to let me know. And just a quick again reminder that we are just shifted to the sentiment mix. We had risk on, but currently we are in a risk like a mixed sentiment in major equity and commodity and yield classes. So have a good day, y'all. Bye bye now.